The way we've always framed business analytics is that there are three major parts to it. The first part is what we call descriptive analytics, which means what's in the data, how do you visualize the data, how do you summarize the data, and also how do you collect data. The second part of it is what most people call today predictive analytics or big data analysis. So how do you basically build mathematical models to predict future behaviors? And the third part, of course, is optimization. So now that you've built a mathematical model, how do you optimize, let's say, if I'm a marketing professor, how do you optimize the price? How do you optimize what product to deliver? How do you optimize who to target?
One of the things that we're seeing in business at the moment, really, I guess over the last 5 to 10 years, has been this tremendous new focus on data. So now everything that we do as a consumer, as an employee, is tracked. Managers are starting to look at this mountain of data and say, we can run our business much better if we can start using that data to make smarter decisions.
Like it or not, we're living in a world of big data. This is the world we live in, so you may as well learn how to play in it and also learn about what are the different dimensions of big data and how do you start thinking in terms of converting data into information.
Advances in data collecting technologies are irreversibly changing the approaches that firms must use to make informed business decisions. Our course introduces the frameworks and ideas that empower decision makers faced with any real-world business challenge. It also covers the methods and software available for tackling these challenges.
And one of the nice things about being at Wharton is we have many faculty members, each of whom are experts in one particular area of knowledge. And what we've been able to do with this specialization is bring the experts in each of the areas of knowledge that might be interesting and important to people and combine them so you get this smart view of lots of different areas.
All the instructors in the specialization are using real companies, real data examples, demonstrating how to make business decisions. It's not just, well, let's in concept fit this model to the data. It's now, how do we use this as a firm to make greater profits and make business decisions?
This is the way we're going in companies, is going to be data analytics. And the more you can understand using big data and using analytics, which dials I can turn to get the biggest payback, you're going to be in a much better position to actually be at the forefront of what's happening in organizations.